a sign. So I'm thinking maybe it's time I put it all on the line.
We're now here in RRU. We're gonna meet one of our students before.
But I heard from others that you chase out lovers on the run.
It's so nice here. This is the RRU library. It's so quiet. Asa ka nag-aaral? Ay? Ay? So guys, in RRU, the programs that you can take here would be Master of Global Management. They have Masters in Intercultural and International Communication. They also have Masters of Global Leadership, Tourism Management, Masters of Environmental and Management. Those are like all master's degree for people that wanted to study here and wanted to bring their family with them. The tuition fee, it depends on the program. It depends on if you have the co-op, but usually it's around 38,000 for the whole program. So you have options to have it in 12 months or 18 months, but with the new policy in immigration, you need to have at least 60 months if you want to bring your spouse with you.
Hindi, meron naman yan. Kaya lang, siyempre, medyo madilim din.
So, saan yung building nyo?
Hindi po, saka dun sa kabila.
So sige. Hanggang natin yung school. Too much! Malaki din. So, ito mga business students ang nandito. Oh. Dapat bayaran ako ng RRU dito. Ang ganda. Dapat may ganun ka. Golf cart.
Sila lang ganyan. Lakad kami to the max.
Pero okay din siya actually. Kasi may exercise ka ba? Ang sarap kaya ng ganito.
Exercise.
Bago ka pumunta sa school, hulas ka na.
Totoo, balik tayo dito.
Ay, ang ganda. Naka-holding hands pa, nanay.
Magjowa.
Magjowa. Ang ganda. Wait.
Diba?
Ay. Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito.
Parang 3 Italian version.
Siguro kung dito ako papasok, andito ako lagi sa garden. Nagka-cutting.
Pero ang reality, sa library ka. Dito sila nag-a-assignment.
Mukhang ngayon nagtutour doon. So if you're planning to go to RRU, it's recommended that you live here in Langford. So you have everything here. You have Fairway, you have Costco. From RRU, you can take the bus, or there's a bus in the campus that goes to Langford. So yeah.
So we're finally home, and there are other things that we also talk about with Mian while we're touring around. And we really tried our best to convince Mian to have an interview with us, but then she wasn't comfortable. But she mentioned during our tour that she is not working right now, and she's just focusing on her studies. And the main reason for that is because you have to adjust in school, especially if you're out of school for a couple of years already. It's been a decade already, and for Mean, it was not easy for her. Like taking a master's degree in Canada wasn't easy. So that's the main reason she really focused on her studies, and also she has a kid here, like 3 years old. You have to weigh your priorities here, and for her, priorities would be studies and her kid. And that's the main reason why you need to have your proof of funds ready, because you don't know what's going to happen when you come here. You don't know until when are you going to be adjusting. And she said the master's program in RRU, it's not really, a walk in the park kind of thing. So you really have to study. You have to put some time on your projects, research papers, and yada, yada, yada. And another thing you also have to consider is because you are on Vancouver Island, and sometimes you have to walk. Not sometimes, maybe most of the time, especially if you don't have a car. So you might have to set aside a budget buying a second-hand car at least, unless you're okay to walk for 10-15 minutes to the bus stop and wait, right? If you have a budget, I would suggest you buy a second-hand car. Your life will be easier. Let me know what you think about RRU, and thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to connect with us if you're interested to apply at RRU. Thank you guys. Goodbye.